Hitler wanted to be an artist. At 18 years old, he took his inheritance, 700 kronen, and moved to Vienna to live and study. He applied to the Academy of Fine Arts and later to the School of Architecture. Ever see one of his paintings? Neither have I. Resistance bet him. Call it overstatement, but I will say it anyway. It was easier for Hitler to start World War II than it was for him to face a blank square of canvas. This is a para from The War of Art by Steven Pressfield. I loved that. I mean, resistance is the enemy of greatness. I have been making these daily YouTube videos for 17 days right now. Let me tell you, every single day when I wake up, oh man, I wish it was 2 p.m. when I am done with the whole videos thing. Even though I knew this is the most valuable thing I'm working on for my future self. Many of you watching this video, you wanna make one video every single day for your brand. You don't have the aspiration to make one long form and one short form every single day. You just wanna make one short form every day. As someone who have been making both, let me tell you, it's so simple to make one short form every day. I spend more than 6 hours every single day making this long form and short form. It makes sense as a full-time video creator. As a business owner, you have so many things to manage, but you can make 7 videos every single week by putting in 5 hours every week. I want you to take out 1 hour every single day from the weekdays and follow the schedule I'm gonna share right now. You with me? Let's move in. Day 1, ideation. Take out a physical timer like I have over here or your phone timer, it doesn't really matter. Put 1 hour and start the timer. Disclaimer, we are talking about short form videos here. Long form will be similar, but it will take you 2 to 3x more time. And we are making these short form videos with the philosophy I follow. If you don't know what it is, check out the video here. I talk about what type of short form videos you should be making for your brand. Let's get back to the video. As your timer is running, I want you to jot down as many ideas as you possibly can in the 1 hour slot. Ideas refers to personal experiences and personal philosophies that gives a general direction to health, wealth and relationships that matches with the value system you're following and the mission you're trying to accomplish. If you have a program that teaches people how to work 4 hours a day, live a minimalist life and still manage to make more money, the ideas could be around your personal philosophies on why someone should not work long hours or personal experiences on how you made more money working less hours. Day 2, rough scripting. Put the timer until it runs out. Write down every single thing you wanna cover in these ideas you have come up with. If you left with a good time, once you are done with that, add pointers that will make the content more interesting. Day 3, finalize your scripts. Put the timer, refine the script with your pointers, keep refining the version until your timer ends. The reason why you feel resistance recording videos is because you don't have a good script. If you have a script that has been refined well, like what we're doing here, you will have the motivation to record videos. That's how the human brain works. Once you make the final touches, I want you to read them loudly. This will feed the information in your mind and practice your mouth movements, which will make the recording process much more effective and simple. Day 4, recording. Put the timer and start recording videos. Now, I want you to do one thing here. Instead of retaking whenever something goes wrong, don't press the stop button. Maybe the video length of the first few videos will get longer, but you will practice not repeating the same thing again and again, which will put you in a place where you can record 7 videos under 15 minutes. Trust me, it's a great place to be in. Spend as much time as you can writing and practicing your script and as little as you can recording the videos, because recording videos will drain you a lot of energy because you have this grind for sounding perfect, which never happens. It's a mind game you have to fight through. Day 5, editing and scheduling. If you have an editor, wonderful. If not, follow this 4-step editing process. Step 1, make the perfect cut. Step 2, add the caption. Step 3, add slides and images. Step 4, add a music. That's it. That's all you need. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share. Hopefully, I will see you tomorrow.